Hey, what's up, everyone? My name is Miguel. Today, I'm going to show you how you can start automating some tasks using Claude Cowork. Let me break it down for you. Now, Claude Cowork is the version of Claude that actually has access to your computer, so it can modify local files in any folder that you give it access to. It actually has a very important feature that's called schedule tasks. Now, schedule tasks are pretty much tasks that run even if you're not at your computer. Now, the caveat is that you actually have to leave your computer turned on. So if your computer is sleeping, it's not actually going to run. Otherwise, it actually allows you to run very simple automations. Things like a meeting preparation, daily briefs, content ideas, monitoring a topic. But don't let yourself be fooled. You can actually do very complex things thanks to scheduled tasks, such as actually doing due diligence, doing market research, and even going as far as actually automating things inside of your CRM. So keeping track of everything that's going on inside of your business, all within this feature in Cloud Cowork. Now, if you actually want to deploy some very simple ones, you can simply just click on this and Cloud Cowork will actually help you set it up. Before you begin, it's actually very good for you to connect Cloud Cowork to all of the tools that you're going to be using. So your email, your calendar, your note taker, and all of that. So Cloud Cowork has access to everything that it needs. Now, if you want to set up a new scheduled task, the only thing that you have to do is click on this button right here. You get two options, either create with Claude or set it up manually. Highly recommend you do it with Claude because that way it's interactive and you actually get a feel on how that automation is going to work. If you do it manually, you don't get that feedback. So whenever you click on this, you're going to go into a new chat window with Cloud Cowork. Cloud Cowork then is going to ask you a few questions regarding what type of automation you want to set up. Start with something simple, even just going ahead and checking all of your emails is something that's extremely powerful if you're someone who is swarming in information. Now, as you can see, it's actually checking all of the connections that we already have. So it actually detects that I have Slack, I have Notion, Calendar, and other tools. So here I'm going to say, I just want a briefing. I want it daily, and I only want it. Oh, it can actually deliver. Can deliver it via Slack message as well if that's something that you use. And I'm gonna say I want as a file in my folder, so that way I can check out that file every single day. It's going to start asking you even more questions. The more information that you give it, the better. So in this case, I'm going to just check calendar and meetings. That's good enough for me. And I want it early in the morning. Now, Cloud Cowork actually gives you the capacity of leaving your computer turned on if it's running. So that way you can simply walk away from your computer. It's not going to go to sleep and it's simply going to leave and run the automation whenever it actually was scheduled for it. So, for example, if you set it up for 7 a.m., it's going to run at 7 a.m. As you can see, right here, it's telling me that it's going to schedule a task every morning at 7 a.m. Pull today calendar's events. Here is the detail of the prompt. So it's telling it that it's going to save it as a file inside of the folder that it's working on. And I can simply click on scheduled. And there you go. So that's everything that you need to do if you want to create a scheduled task. So here, whenever it's actually finished, you can click on it. And if you go back, it takes you back to scheduled. And as you can see, now I have a new scheduled task that's active at 7 a.m. in the morning. Here is the instructions. So that's the same thing as the prompt, literally the same. Here is at what time it's going to run. And also if you already allowed it to have access to all of the connections that you did. So does it have access to your email, your Google Meet, etc., etc. I can go back into schedule tasks. And as you can see, I have the card right here, knowing that this is the only scheduled task that I have set up, and I can modify it. So I can modify it if I ever need to, just right here, or I can run it now. So if I click on run now, you will be able to look at it and you will see the test that it's going to be doing. I'm going to stop it here in case it actually shows something that it shouldn't because this is private information, but you can do all of this very, very easily. You can click on delete. So this is going to delete that run. And now I'm simply going to delete this one because I no longer need it. Now, this is going to be something that's super useful for you. If you're already drowning in a lot of manual work, Cloud Cowork can help you save so much time with simple automations just like this, which are actually going to help you keep track of all of the files that you have in your Google Drive, making sure that all of the documents have been sent out, keeping track of everything inside of your business. Now, I hope that you enjoyed this video. I'm going to show you then how we can actually just start running this on Cloud Code in the next one. Catch you later.